guys, so you're about to see the most random vlog you've ever seen of mine. Just random festivities I've been doing this fall. So we went to the zoo, we went to Deer Tracks Junction where you just feed like farm animals and stuff. It's actually a lot of fun, like deers and goats and whatnot. So and then I just went camping randomly because I got a new camper right there. I got it, and I got it for next summer actually because I go up to Mackinac Island all the time. So I figured instead of spending a fortune on hotels and whatnot, I might as well get a camper, glamper. There's like a chandelier inside. It's not like super fancy, but it's still comfortable. So I wanted to get something that can be cheap but comfortable, rather than spending a ton of money on hotels. So I'm planning on next summer traveling a lot, but I wanted to get a little bit of use out of it before I pack it up for the winter. So we're just doing like a 2-day camping trip. It was supposed to be a 1 day, so I only packed enough clothes for 1 day. I'm wearing the same clothes that I have in for the past 3 days. Yeah, it's supposed to be a short one, but it ended up to be a little bit longer. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna have a lot of footage from this trip, but I'll probably just pin together some random stuff. I don't even know if I recorded enough to make a vlog, but I guess we'll see. So we're taking a break from the camping lifestyle and going to Red Lobster for endless shrimp, which is like, it's just kind of right down the road. So it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere, but we really are close to a lot of different things. But going to get some shrimp. I can't eat another hot dog. I just need a little break from it. So anyways, this is my camper. I'll probably be using, I just got it. I'll probably be using it a lot more next summer. I just wanted to get it like a little, can I speak? I wanted to take it out for a little test spin before winter comes. So we just took it out on a 2-day camping trip, and we're keeping it casual, just drinking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and sitting by the fire. Fires are actually a lot harder than you would think to make, by the way. I thought fires were super easy to upkeep, but you have to put crap in it every like 10 minutes, otherwise it dies, which has proved to be a challenge so far. But yeah, we're going out for shrimp because if I eat another hot dog, I'm gonna go crazy.
That's right. You should keep that in there.
Endless shrimp. So we found our favorite little spot. It's like a little cove. And then we have a nice view. So we're setting up shop and making drinks. Leftovers, yeah.
Doing a great job. Alright, love it. Doing a great job. These, we can kind of save these. Well, these, you want to tear up. Can you listen? Break them up. Okay. Get them all linear like. These are good for this shit.
Leave it! I put it special!
Alright.
I want to see if it works.
Okay, well, I know how it works. But the little sticks need to be underneath the big sticks because you need to light the big sticks. The big sticks don't get going right away. Okay?
Are you a Boy Scout?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna light it.
You don't have nearly enough. You don't have nearly enough anything here. No, don't light it yet.
What? I didn't!
Just sitting down after I'm done.
Pro. Pro.
Yeah. Got myself a tree to burn.
Rude. Whoa. That chocolate dough. No.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Good. No. marshmallow.
I want to see you eat that.
Yeah. You excited?
Yeah, I'm actually pretty I'm pretty curious of how this is gonna work here. Badass.
All in my mouth, only I don't know how they got out here, turn me back into the girl.
Don't skip Miles.
I was happy with no mindset, and if you turn to me like a girl takes to win.
Why are you doing that? Could eat you and that will make them sick.
Please be safe. Do not stand, sit, climb, or lean on fences. If you fall, animals could eat you, and that will make them sick. Thank you. He might eat you.
No.
He's looking at you like,
Tasty.
delicious. Oh. Oh my god. Lace.
I know. I can't believe this is happening. It's a good dream. Don't do that again. This one keeps trying to eat my hair. Rude. You're rude.